my name is Randy. I'm here with JD Sound and Monster. This is what's called the Godj, Monster Godj. It's a portable DJ controller and music production studio. With this device, it's got dual touchscreen turntables where you can scratch. You can set loops and cues. Not only that, you can also record audio, you can also record your favorite mixes, you can also produce your own favorite tracks using your drum pads, different sequencers. You can also play the guitar as well. We've got different instruments so you can play it here. Piano, guitar. And even if you're not a DJ, you can actually use Auto DJ, so let the music mix automatically for you. And that's the Monster Godj.